This is Major Pankaj Gupta from Meherchand Polytechnic College, Jalandhar. It's a matter of great pride and pleasure for me to be part of NCC organization, which is one of the biggest organization in the world, I can say. NCC means National Cadet Corps. And I am part of the 2 Punjab Battalion, which is the oldest Punjab Battalion. And because NCC was established in 1948, and since that time, 2 Punjab Battalion is in existence. National Cadet Corps nurture the cadets, groom the cadets, school and college students, and make them mentally robust, physically strong, and ultimately complete orientation and complete change of their personality. So NCC cadets from various different schools, various colleges, they come and join this organization. Moreover, it's a very great pride for me that under the dynamic leadership of Colonel Vinod Joshi, who is our commanding officer, he's a very learned man, and he's working totally for the rehabilitation, for the complete change of the organization. Because so many camps are to be organized, national level camps are to be organized, state level camps are to be organized, like CATC, like RD camps are to be, national level camps are to be organized, then national integration camps are to be organized. So during these camps, all these cadets, they come together from different states, they come together, stay together, they learn their language, they learn their culture. So it helps them to groom in a very horizontal way. So during the camps, cadets are trained, their PPTs are to be done in the morning, then various weapon trainings are to be organized, LMG, .22, DLEX, SLR, all these weapons are to be given to the cadets for their training part. So ultimately, they become different from the school and college students. So ultimately, at the end of their training, they get B and C certificates after the completion of 2 years and 3 years. And these B and C certificates help them to be part of the Indian Army. So once again I say, under the dynamic leadership of Colonel Vinod Joshi, our 2 Punjab Battalion is touching the new heights, and definitely because he has a lot of experience in transforming the life of cadets into army officers, and definitely it will also help our Jalandhar boys also. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. I am Lieutenant Kuldeep Sharma, ITI Meherchand Jalandhar. आज हम सभी यहाँ एक CO सर द्वारा बुलाई गई कॉन्फ्रेंस को अटेंड करने के लिए इकट्ठे हुए थे. CO सर ने इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में NCC ट्रेनिंग से रिलेटेड बहुत सारे इश्यूज हमसे डिस्कस किए और उन पे कैसे वर्कआउट करके स्टूडेंट्स की, कैडेट्स की वेलफेयर के लिए, उनकी और बेहतर ट्रेनिंग के लिए हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में हमें गाइडेंस दी. मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि हम सभी ANOs जो 2 पंजाब बटालियन NCC से जुड़े हैं, इसमें बहुत सारे कैंप्स कैडेट्स की वेलफेयर के लिए किए जाते हैं. कैडेट्स की ट्रेनिंग के लिए सारे साल में कम से कम 3-4 कैंप हमारे बटालियन द्वारा ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाते हैं. अभी आगे भी अगले कुछ महीनों में कुछ कैंप्स लगने वाले हैं, जिसमें कैडेट्स को B सर्टिफिकेट और C सर्टिफिकेट्स के लिए तैयार किया जाएगा. RDC के कैडेट्स भी हमारे साथ होंगे, उसी कैंप का हिस्सा होंगे जो आगे दिल्ली में, न्यू दिल्ली में जो RDC कैंप का हिस्सा बनेंगे. तो इस कैंप में हम कैडेट्स को FCBC, वेपन ड्रिल के बारे में, मैप रीडिंग के बारे में, राइफल्स को खोलना जोड़ना, उनके पार्ट्स के बारे में जानकारी देना, और भी बहुत सारे मिलिट्री ट्रेनिंग के सब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो टीच करेंगे. मुझे उम्मीद है कि सारे कैडेट्स इसमें पार्ट लेके अपने फ्यूचर के लिए बेहतर काम करेंगे. जय हिंद.
I am Lieutenant Ahmed Hussain, Associate NCC Officer of DAV University. Today we are attending the ANO conference at the battalion headquarters. 2 Punjab Battalion is one of the oldest and one of the largest NCC battalion of the Punjab and of this country. In this conference, we discuss the planning of the coming camps and the activities. The CO interacts with the ANOs to resolve the issues what we are facing, and it is a quarterly event which we do every throughout the year to sort out the issues and for proper planning of the next activities. Jai Hind.